I didn't have it all figured out when I booked my first flight. I didn't have extra money. I didn't have the full confidence. Honestly, I was scared. What if something goes wrong? What if I cannot afford it? And what if it's not yet the time? Because here's the truth. Travel will never wait for you to be ready. That perfect moment, it's never coming. Kaya kung hinihintay mo maging sapat ang ipon mo, mawala ang takot mo, o maging ready ang schedule mo, baka habang buhay ka na maghihintay. But the world is out there. The growth, the memories, the freedom. It's all waiting on the other side of that book now button. I didn't start traveling because I was rich. I started because I was tired of the same routine. I needed something more, and traveling gave me that more. So if you've been dreaming of a place, a country, a mountain, a beach, don't wait. Start saving, start planning, start now. You don't need a perfect plan, you just need the decision. Because one day you will look back and say, buti na lang, pinush ko to.